The steam-proof door seal. For our products, it is very important for energy and steam to remain in the baking chamber. The door seal, which is perfectly adjusted during commissioning, can also be readjusted by you later at any time. I'll show you how to do it. To set the steam-proof door seal, it is important for the oven to be at operating temperature. This is because it expands when hot, and of course it needs to be steam-proof when it's hot. Now simply loosen the screws at the leaky spot. Adjust the seal inwards or outwards. Tighten the screws again and close the door.